Have you ever wanted to start adding testosterone supplements to a friend's drink and watch them slowly get more hair? Would this even work? Testosterone is a funny thing. It's a steroid hormone from a group called androgen. Androgens affect many characteristics in our bodies. Things like the development of the male sex organs, the deepening of our voice during puberty, muscle and bone strength, and hair growth. Interestingly, the same circulating androgen, like testosterone, can increase hair growth in one area of our bodies and inhibit it in others. Testosterone is produced by our pituitary gland. It takes cholesterol to make the hormones progesterone and progenolone. These two hormones are then used to make testosterone. Once testosterone is made, it begins to circulate around the body looking for receptor sites to attach to. In the case of hair, they reside in an area of your hair follicle called your dermal papilla. Once there, the testosterone binds to androgen receptors and initiates any altered gene expression. This will either help the follicle or hurt it, depending on the gene expressed. There are two types of hair follicles within our bodies, vellus and terminal. Vellus hair follicles are the ones that create fine, virtually colorless hair, like the ones found on infants. They're usually tiny and don't reside very deep within the skin. Terminal hair follicles are created from vellus hair follicles by androgen. They're deeper and longer follicles that form thicker, longer, and more pigmented hair. To change from vellus to terminal, or from terminal to vellus, the follicle must go through the hair growth cycle to regenerate as one type or another. Normally, during puberty, our bodies begin to produce more androgen. This circulating androgen then turns our young vellus follicles into more terminal ones. The boy then becomes a man. Interestingly, as time goes on, certain terminal hair follicles, like the ones found on our scalp, can begin to regress back into vellus follicles. This too is mediated by testosterone. The result is slowly dying hair follicles that won't grow back. What researchers have found is individual hair follicles have different expression of genes within the follicle. Each gene expression reacts differently to androgen. Some genes inhibit follicle health and some increase it. Since each follicle is independent of one another, each gene expression is also independent of one another. This is why hair transplants work. The follicles on your head might be dying, but the ones in other areas of your body are not. Doctors can simply move them to where they're needed. The transplanted hair follicle will not die because the genes associated with that follicle are not negatively affected by androgen, no matter what area of the body they're in. The process that allows a specific gene to be expressed in a certain follicle isn't yet understood. What is known is that the programming occurs in the pattern processing during development. So, will adding testosterone supplements make your friend's hair grow more? In some areas, yes. In others, it might hurt. Either way, I say that prank is sure to be a winner. Nothing like making your friend's beard extremely large while at the same time making him balder than Mr. Clean.